Hi everyone, this is William speaking. Welcome to One Backend Solution again. Here's the last video. I'm going to education something about hardware. First of all, is about maintain. Like every day, you finish your daily work or even 24 hours, okay? But each of the time you should use the air gun or the fans we have to just be careful, stop everything and see that. So, because there are always some powders, okay, like this, or you use the air gun, and then you can also use some towels, wet towel especially. Drop a little bit water on the clothes, then clean it. And sometimes the material or the practice burn or melt or stuck here, you can use a brush. Metal brush is also okay to make it clean of the end cutters. The vertical sealing is perfect. You don't need to always clean it because it's covered very well. It's also touching the surface of the practice field, okay? And that's the thing about cleaning. And also about the wear, there's the compressor. You should make it clean, and you can lose everything, including the hoppers. Use the air gun and use the water with towels, clean it. That's about cleaning. Also, the same thing here. Everything you touch your products, you prefer to clean it. If it is the food grade standard, you clean it like each of 6 hours, 8 hours, each class with water, with some chemical. So just be careful. Use the switch off the machine, use the emergency buttons, and wait for the temperature drop down. So that's the thing about cleaning. Oh, also here the support payphone, or that one, you should also clean it if it is a food grade. But if just some brands, some chemical or some other kind of not by eaters material, you won't have to clean it like that way, okay? But it depends on you. So second thing about maintain is about the gears, or you can put some gears in this ball bearing, and this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 over there, and also some grease or maybe oil. Peanut oil is okay if it is for food, because nobody want to have a grease in your products. So you can instead use here or peanut oils or some oil on this tube. This is, and also there's a small air pump here, you see that? Also this tube, because it is moving. Why now still hot, just be careful. And this one you don't have to, okay? First, don't put any grease on it, because sometimes the grease will be on the surface of the pull field web belt, that will be slip. Okay, that's about the grease of the main machine. Rear, don't do anything about grease like this one. It won't be any issue, just because I don't want any grease drop into the hoppers and then pack into the back formers in your products. So here is the thing. You can put more grease inside of this, all the thing with the movement by metal things, or all the thing that is by the air tank. Okay, here's okay. Second, maybe number 3 already, right? First is about cleaning, and now about the grease issue. Right now it's about the school issue. So this one will be a little bit loose maybe after years, and you can tie again. And the same situation here. This is this one. So main thing is like grease, screws, cleaning, and one more thing is about the airs, because some of the customer, you have to use it more times. Like I cannot let you know that when should you maintain your machine. It's serious. My left hand is not that strong enough. So it depends on how many times or how many years, or how frequency, how often you use the machine. The tube, this is the air tube. You will have to change if it is broken, okay? Now it is only practice. And also the air right now, it is still with pressure, so I'm not going to lose it, but this one is for oil. You should have to fill oil inside if it is not enough. Fill it when you see the oil level. The waters is not no leak to worry about. It will be automatic disappear. So that's about the air. Also your air tank, I mean that one, it can be automatic, or it can be like every day or every week, like pull the waters out. After years, this red belt is also practice. You will have to replace a new one. So lose the screw on the top, and then this one can be moved down and up, and then you can just cover the new one, replace the new one. So if more years, the sensor tube, the heater tube is burned, you have to replace it. This is the sensor of temperature, but that one is the heater tube, and here's on the top is heater P6, flat one. Okay, you have to lose the screw on top and then replace a new one. I'll give you some spare as a gift. Also the electricity pump is like sometimes, just sometimes, it will be broken or burned, or the button is not sensitive enough. You should change a new one. You just open everything and follow the same connection, or even you cut the wire and then link it back with the new one. So that's for the main machines. And more thing you know about hoppers is about the installation, like in which part should be the first. So we go to that one because we have the ladder. This is a high-speed model, 16 head, 3 layers, 2.5 hoppers. So first of the thing is about installation. the main vibration that we won't lose, but you have to install the hoppers and the line vibrators. So I will send you more videos to explain, because that will be a little bit more details. You can see the spring and the tube inside, and also this is the locker. But remember, don't hit the second floor hopper. It is for weight, don't punch it. So that's about the rear. I will give you a longer videos just for installation about rear. Okay, we will lose everything and the pad in the wooden board and ship to customer. The last thing about hardware is a connection. So don't forget the ground wire connection, and you won't get mistake, because just one wire about signal, you lose it and pass it out. And the ground wire, you don't need to connect in this way, because most of them have ground wire in the electricity system. And that's the power supply, and that's the signal connection, and this one is a signal give to the exact conveyors. Open it. These two, the black one and the white one, you should connect. You see I mark red colors, and also you see the numbers. Now no matter you use like an upside down switch, it's also okay. So this is the one connect to the vibration disc. It's just 2 plug. This one with a 4 plug is connected to the motors. This one is power supply to your workshop electricity. So also we will separate this 1 P6 and 2 P6 and 3 P6, put them in a wooden box. It won't be like the complete set to your workshop. And this one, after you lock and unlock, you can clean each of the hoppers. So that's the normal thing about maintenance, about fixing, about connection. I speak maybe a little bit fast to everything. This video is for normally beginners of a customer education, but if you're already an expert, I truly appreciate you are patient to listen my lessons. So seems like that's everything. The overview, the software, the operation, how to modify the bedland, how to control the speed, how to let them work automatic, and also a video for hardware, how to maintain, how to fix small problems, how to connect it if you will see the machine. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your time. Appreciate. If you love it, just give me a like. Bye bye. See you soon. Thank you.